Would you commit murder to save 5 lives? Michael Sandel's Justice Lecture Breakdown. Is it right to sacrifice one innocent person to save 4 others, or does saving 5 lives justify crossing a moral boundary that makes us no better than those we wish to condemn? Harvard University professor Michael Sandel presents this exact dilemma in his famous Justice Lecture, forcing us to question the very foundation of how we make decisions. Imagine a runaway trolley car heading toward 5 workers. The driver has a split-second choice to steer onto a side track where only one worker stands. Most people agree that sacrificing one life to save 5 is the logical choice. But what happens when the scenario changes, and instead of driving, you're standing on a bridge next to a heavy stranger, and the only way to save the 5 workers below is to push him over? Suddenly, almost everyone who agreed with the first choice calls this murder, revealing a deep contradiction in human morality. This friction exposes 2 major schools of thought: consequentialism, which judges an action solely by its outcome, and categorical reasoning, which insists that certain moral rules must never be broken no matter the reward. Sandel warns that studying philosophy won't magically make you a better citizen. Instead, it disrupts the familiar, turning comfortable assumptions into unsettling questions that can never be unthought. When students in the lecture hall are challenged with these extreme hypotheticals, their defense mechanisms crack, proving that our intuitive moral judgments are often messy and inconsistent. Whether it's a runaway vehicle or a doctor facing a shortage of organ donors, these thought experiments force us to confront the uncomfortable truth about what we value most when push comes to shove. Would you push the stranger off the bridge to save 5 lives, or do absolute moral rules prevent you from acting? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into philosophy and human behavior.